How to contact Facebook live chat support on iPhone. So first of all, open your Facebook, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then from here, tap on the menu bar on the top left right here. So after doing that, scroll down a bit, then you'll get to see the option of help and support. Tap on it. Then in here, you'll get to see the option of Meta AI Support Assistant. Simply tap on it. And then from here, you can now ask any question that you want to Meta AI. So in here, you can see these are some prompts. I'm going to tap on one of them, how to reset my password. And just like this, here you can see I'm getting the live response. And like that, you'll be able to contact Facebook live chat support on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.